What is up, people? This is Ronit Kamble, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, in this video we are going to talk about Adidas Superstar, and not really talk about Adidas Superstar. We are going to unbox a pair of Adidas Superstar because I have never unboxed a pair of Adidas Superstars on this channel. So one of my friend bought it, so I just thought I'll take this opportunity and borrow this pair from him, and I'll unbox this for you guys. So yes, let's not waste any of the time and let's start with the unboxing. So getting into the box, here is the pair, and as you guys can see, it is from Ajio. Ajio again ruined the box and gave us this alternate box, which I really don't like. Ajio, please don't do this. This is not really right, because people like me really love the boxes as well as the shoes. So yes, it's very difficult to see a non-branded box of the particular shoes, and it's very hard to accept it. And here you guys have written, don't judge a brand by its cover. No, we do judge it, so please don't ruin the box and please give us the original box, please, please, please. So yes, let's see the shoes. I know you guys are a bit confused with the Adidas Superstar looking like this. So this is Adidas Superstar printed. Yes, these are named as Adidas Superstar printed. So yes, just have a look at this beautiful pair. So talking about the pricing on them, they are retailed for 9,000 rupees, 8,999 rupees. I got them for 5,228, something like that, if I'm not wrong. So yes, the pricing was this. And talking about the materials used on them, it is all leather upper, as all the Superstars are. But there is a small difference in normal Superstar and this Superstar. That is the quality of leather. The quality of leather on these is pure butter. Trust me when I say this. I'll show you a close-up view of that. They have crazy details on them. The quality is great. Great means, trust me, it is great. This is one of those greatest quality sneakers I have held in my hand, because I really loved the quality on them. It is very soft and very smooth to the touch. Then talking about the most obvious thing on this shoes, that is this printed midsole. You can see this, which is crazy, and it comes all the way up till this toe cap. So this looks beautiful, but I feel like this will get scratched easily and this paint will come off. But nevertheless, this is a beautiful pair. And on this back tab, you will see the Adidas logo in gold on that navy blue back tab, you can say. And yes, if I'm not wrong there, it is navy blue here. Then we see this Adidas logo here in gold. Then we have this crazy eyelets with golden hints and Adidas Superstar written here in gold, which makes this shoes very crazy. And it is very subtle, but at the same time it is crazy. So yes, it has that perfect combination of craziness and subtleness. That is the reason I do love this sneaker, because I do like subtle sneakers, but at the same time I do like this crazy sneakers as well. So yes, talking about the insole, I got it. And yes, I forgot to say you guys that this is a women's exclusive shoes, but as I always say, there is nothing women's exclusive. It is all unisex if you like a particular pair, and it does not look very girlish, so you can really wear that shoes. Anyone can wear any of the sneakers they like. So here is the insole. This is in navy blue color as well, with this pink Adidas logo and her written here with Studio London. I don't know why that is, but we have this Ortholite Adidas insole, and Adidas does use these insoles a lot of time. The Adidas Easy 700 also have this insoles, but they are a bit thick, but they are also from Ortholite. This is the brand, you can see here, Adidas Ortholite written here. So this is a size UK 7, but in US it is 8.5 because it is a woman's shoes. As I said, it differs with the sizing and all. And if you want to check out this sneaker, I'll link them in the description if they are available still. Then we have the standard white laces on top, you can see, which are very plain, and it should be because it is a partial white sneaker kind of thing. I don't know how to describe these shoes because it is a all white shoes with this crazy midsole. So yes, then we have this Adidas 3 stripes which are mixed with the upper of the shoes, which is white as well. That is the reason it gives that subtle look with that good texture on them, and it really feels good to me. Now talking about the sizing on Adidas Superstar, I already had one pair in past. They truly fit true to size, and according to comfort, it is not that great comfortable sneaker, but yes, it is a comfortable shoes. You can really wear that shoes with anything, anytime and anywhere. It is like that prestige shoes from Adidas. Like all other brands have their own specific shoes for which they are known for, as Nike is known for Nike Air Force, Converse is known for Converse All Stars, Reebok is known for Reebok Club C's, so Adidas is known for Adidas Superstars, and it is the most classic sneaker from Adidas, and I personally do love them a lot. I had rocked them a lot in past. It was like my go-to sneaker. I used to wear them every time whenever I go out with my friends or something like that. It was a crazy time. And in 2016 to 17, India had a hype of Adidas Superstar. We used to get some crazy fakes as well. And if you guys are from India, you guys know the Sparks brand, and most of you all have seen the Superstars from Sparks, which have 4 stripes, which looks very weird. Oh my god, that is very cringe. I really don't like that sneaker. That is the craziest official fake. Sparks is also a known brand in India, so them making a fake shoes like that was a very bad thing. But some people who don't know about them, they really bought that pair, they wore it, and it was a terrible thing to see as a sneakerhead. And I guess Adidas had filed a complaint against them or something like that. There was a case going on between Adidas and Sparks regarding that. So yes, let's not go there. So yes, talking about this shoes, this is a beautiful shoes. If you guys want to check it out, I'll link them in the description. And yes, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. It was just a small video of unboxing a pair of Adidas Superstar, nothing else, nothing special. And guys, yes, please do subscribe to the channel as we are very close to 1500 subscribers, and I really want to touch that goal very soon. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.